In honor of Independence Day and the 4th of July, we're always talking about the auto industry. But what vehicles are the top 10 vehicles that are built in the USA that give Americans jobs and have a lot of American components? You might be surprised at what some of them are, and we're also going to list some of the least. If you want to learn more, stay right with us. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Lauren Fix, and this is 4 Minute Friday. And this week's episode is brought to you by wheelwish.com. Let's put 4 minutes on the clock. A recent survey from cars.com shows that a majority of Americans would like to purchase vehicles that are produced here because it gives us jobs, whether it's the components or the cars themselves. So getting that top 10 list, we found that 6 of those vehicles were produced by Honda Motor Company. 3 of them were produced by General Motors, and 1 of them was built by Jeep. So here is the top 10 list. The top vehicle built in the United States, built in Belvidere, Illinois, is the Jeep Cherokee. You probably figured that if you're a Jeep fan, you probably knew that, which is partly why they sell so many of them, because people want to be American. It's an American company, and this is a really fun car to drive off-road and on. The second vehicle, assembled in Lincoln, Alabama, is the Honda Odyssey, a really fun minivan that's had really great ratings. Third is the Honda Ridgeline, also assembled in Lincoln, Alabama. The fourth vehicle is the Honda Passport. That's a brand new 3-row SUV, also assembled in Lincoln, Alabama. They've pretty much taken over the town, I would guess. The fifth car is a vehicle that everybody is waiting for, and that is the Corvette C8. Currently, they're building C7s, and they're done, and they're setting up all the tooling for the C8. We will be at the launch for the Corvette C8. We are very excited. There's lots of buzz going on. And yes, we'll bring that to you live. So number 5 is the Chevrolet Corvette, built in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Number 6 is a very popular SUV, the Acura MDX, and that's built in East Liberty, Ohio. Number 7 is the Honda Pilot, also assembled in Lincoln, Alabama. Number 8 is the Chevrolet Colorado, assembled in Wentzville, Missouri. That's a pretty popular mid-sized truck, and they're building a lot of those because right now people don't want that full-size truck necessarily. They want to have the option of a mid-size truck. Number 9 is the GMC Canyon, the sister to the Colorado, assembled in Wentzville, Missouri. And number 10 is the Acura RDX, assembled in East Liberty, Ohio. So now we know the top 10 vehicles that are American made. What about the least American vehicles? Now, we're not talking about this beautiful 2019 Maserati Quattroporte, which I'm test driving because obviously it's built in Italy. We're talking about vehicles that are sold in America that are mass production. Here's a sample of a few cars that are built in America, but they're not so American. The Subaru Outback is built in Lafayette, Indiana, but the wagon is just 45% US and Canadian made, with an engine and transmission coming from Japan. Also, the Chevrolet Bolt EV is built in Lake Orion, Michigan, but the drivetrain is South Korean. US and Canadian content is only 18%. So how do you know where your vehicle is built? Well, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is look at that window sticker or the Monroney, and it tells you where the vehicle is built. By looking at the window sticker, it's very easy to find out what the percentages are of where the engine is, the transmission, and other components. If you have any doubt, look on their website, look online. There's always information to help you. This week in automotive history, June 26, 1958, the first Datsun or Nissan was exported to the United States. Wheelwish.com is the best place to get the best price on the vehicle you want. Put the information in that you want on the vehicle, and they'll send it out to every single vehicle dealer of that brand and get you the best price. First person to say, I want to do that deal with you, you just made a deal and got the price you want. Sort of like Priceline for cars. Check out the descriptions below for more information on all our social media links. And of course, if you want to see what YouTube suggests, just click right over here and subscribe. We appreciate all your comments, and we do reply. Check out some of the other cool things we've been up to as well, and we'll see you next week. Have a great day.